a person would be surprised if they heard about this workshop because not a lot of kids make music festivals.
This is the workshop where 4th and 5th graders defy all odds.
This poster is a poster of Alpha City Limits, and it's about making $10,000 in profit.
All the profit that we have will be going to HAM, Help Alliance for Local Austin Musicians. It supports mental health and helps them get going in their music career.
We have to figure out where we put all the stations and where everything will fit in the venue to make the festival actually attract other people to come and visit. We're trying to think of great ideas that could possibly help grow a follow count.
As you can see, they're making content for our social media to get followers and to get tickets.
We've been learning for 3 sessions now how to play our instruments individually and together as a team.
Our band is called the Backstreet Kids.
The life skill of this workshop is entrepreneurship. Not only is this our workshop where we learn public speaking and physical presence, we also show a lot of grit.
None of us give up and we keep going.
So you want to make sure to live in the music. Make the audience have a lot of fun and want to keep watching.
They've curated a lineup of 7 bands. They've sold over 400 tickets and secured more than $25,000 in corporate sponsorship.
We worked so hard all year to make this happen.
Alpha has given us a lot of opportunities. I probably couldn't do this by myself. I'm just really grateful I get to have the chance to do something like this.
Thank you, Alpha.